Here's a demo of the Tektronix 7L12 spectrum analyzer, all tucked away in a 7603 scope mainframe. I've had this for a while. I'm not really using it much, but it was a fun endeavor to work with a real spectrum analyzer, which was prolific probably in the 70s. To do RF work, but this thing is quite nice. So I'm receiving off my amateur radio antenna. I don't even have a B&C jack anymore. I can't find it, but it's jacked into my antenna and picking up some stuff here off the antenna. I'm not sure really what it is, but you can move the frequency here and shift around the spectrum to see what else you can pick up. This almost seems to be digital data here. So one caveat about this analyzer is this gearing in here is a little fussy. So the gearing probably needs some work. It tends to get jammed and you got to kind of go back and forth and then it will release. So that's kind of an issue with it. What else? Well, if you know how to run this thing, then you'll see the familiarity of all these settings. It's quite the little box. And of course, everything will be displayed in digital format on the screen. All the settings you select down here, which are also calibrated. So this is quite the professional venue. I think this is like $20,000, $30,000 back in the day to have this kind of stuff. So it's quite professional, quite nice. Vintage now. In the 70s have come and gone, but still working, still serving, still very useful. Yeah, so the gear works and this little guy I need fixed. I tried to fix it and I didn't want to pull it all apart to mess with it, so I'm selling this rather cheap compared to other sellers on eBay. There we go. Yeah, look at that. So it looks like some digital stuff flying around on the band here. 470 megahertz. Could be paging or something. I don't know. It's quite prolific, isn't it? Wow. That's interesting. Anyway, that's my demo. Thanks for watching. This is going for less than $300 for the whole kit and caboodle. So let me know on eBay. Thanks for watching.